Hi guys, so Busties Breast Tape sent me a box of goodies. The goodies were these petal stickers for nipple covers and a pair of jelly nipple covers. And it comes with a little sample here of adhesive tape that you can put on and keep on for 24 hours to see if you have a reaction. But I already know that adhesive tape doesn't bother me, so I didn't do that. But then it comes with a roll of boob tape. So I got a dress for my bachelorette party from White Fox Boutique, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this to keep my dress up and not exposing anything. It's a little of a risque dress, but yeah, I'm super excited and we're just gonna jump right into it. So first I'm gonna take off this wrap here. So before we apply this, you should read the directions. It says here, do not have any perfumes, oils, glitters, sunblock, sweat on your skin. You have to test the patch for 24 hours to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction. And protect your nipples with the nipple covers. So you put these over your nipples if you're putting the tape on top, so that way you're protecting your nipples because you do not want to rip off around that delicate skin. And then a tape, once the tape touches your skin, you cannot take it off and reapply it. And then of course, trimming with scissors, cutting your tape down to the size you want it. And then to take it off, you're gonna saturate it in oil, soak through the adhesive and it will loosen. And it says do not remove the tape at 45-degree angle. Just like, you know, pull back at 90 degrees. And I love how it shows you here little ways to put the tape on. It has little pictures here. I like that. All right, so I'm going to apply some of this tape for my dress. All right, so this is a top I'm wearing my bachelorette party. It's a little risque. It ties here on the back. It's from Pretty Little Things. I got this months ago, like probably during the winter. But it's a lot of risque. So I have on the petals. And then I have a strip like this that goes over my shoulder and back like that on both sides to give me a little bit of support so they're not bouncing everywhere. And yeah, I think it looks really cute. This definitely helps with a top like this to conceal everything. Like on the sides here, I could probably tape them down, but it's a little risque bachelorette top. And that is how the Busties tapes kind of secures everything in this top. All right, so this dress is very risque. It has these diamond rhinestone sleeves and these little diamond danglies. They dangle in the back as well. So my last name is going to be Jewel, so I'm having a jewel theme during my bachelorette party, which is why we're all wearing jewels somehow on our dress. So I ordered this dress from White Fox Boutique. It's extremely risque in this area, so I wasn't sure how I was going to conceal everything. But I have on the nipple shields, and I took the boob tape and I made it into a little loop, stuck it right on top of the boob tape, and then stuck the dress to it. So it's very secure. Like when I lean forward, it's not gonna nothing's gonna come out. On the side, nothing's gonna come out. Even if someone were to pull this, you know, it's not gonna pull this part. It's not gonna pull it down because it's really stuck on there. So, and it works really nice at concealing, you know, nipple protrusion. Boob tape covers it up. It's very, you know, professional and concealed. But I'm all about not covering the nipple when appropriate. And that is this dress. It's from a White Fox Boutique. It is hard to walk in. My legs cannot spread that far. And these straps, when I first tried it on, I actually broke one of them. Your arms cannot be lifted that far, but You can always poke your arm in this way and have the dangly dangle down here, and then you're free to move your arms however you please. But yeah, this is the dress from White Fox Boutique. That was extremely risky, but thanks to Busties boob tape, I am able to conceal all of this and make sure it's more and nice and secure, because it is really small. Like, I don't know who could possibly wear this dress that doesn't have artificial chest like I do. Like, I have an artificial chest, so my chest fills out the cups very well. But if you didn't, I don't know how you could wear this, because it's pretty hard to wear. I don't know, it's just a different kind of style. It looks good on me. At first I wasn't sure if I liked it. It's a little risque, but thanks to the Busties boob tape, I feel much more secure in this dress. I feel like I'm not just about to bust out, and I like it. So that completes my video of trying out the Busties boob tape. Again, you get a roll of the boob tape. You get these little flower pasties, and you get these little gel pasties as well. Comes with a little baggie to hold everything in. You can purchase these on Amazon. This was sent to me. This video isn't sponsored, but it was sent to me, so I'm creating a video about it. And again, like I said, this is gonna help so much for my bachelorette party, and I'm excited to bring this with me, and so I can have my friends use this too to conceal themselves in their dress. And to get this tape off, it's suggested to use oil, and it is so true, because getting this tape off actually hurt a lot. It rips off all your little baby hairs because it's on there. It's secure. It is holding up everything. Like, when it's on there, it's on there. So that completes this little demo of Busties for Life, Busties boob tape. You can get this on Amazon. I'll have it linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.